Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to make a delicious and easy no-bake cheesecake that serves 10 to 11 people. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Crust, -2 cups graham cracker crumbs, about 16 full sheets. 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar. Minnesota ½ cup 113 grams unsalted butter, melted. Filling, -1¼ cups heavy whipping cream cold. 24 ounces full-fat brick cream cheese, softened to room temperature. 1/2 cup granulated sugar, to TBSP confectionered sugar. 1/4 cup sour cream room temperature, to TSP lemon juice. 1 TSP pure vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Prepare the crust. Mix graham cracker crumbs, brown sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom and slightly up the sides of a 9-inch springform pan. Freeze for 10 to 20 minutes while you prepare the filling. 2. Whip the cream. Using a hand or stand mixer, whip the cold heavy cream on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form, about 4 to 5 minutes. Set aside. 3. Make the cheesecake filling. In a separate bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and granulated sugar until smooth and creamy. Add confectioner's sugar, sour cream, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. Beat until fully combined and lump-free. 4. Combine whipped cream and filling. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture using a spatula. Do this slowly to preserve the airiness. 5. Assemble and chill. Spread the filling evenly over the chilled crust. Smooth the top with an offset spatula. Cover and refrigerate for at least 6 to 8 hours, preferably overnight for best texture. Optional toppings will be fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Fruit sauces: lemon curd, strawberry sauce. Whipped cream swirls, chocolate shavings or caramel drizzle. Here's some tips for success. Use full-fat brick cream cheese, not whipped or spreadable versions. Don't skip whipping the cream, it's key to a thick, mousse-like texture. Room temperature ingredients *, blend more smoothly. Refrigerate overnight for the firmer slices. Avoid freezing to set, it changes the texture. And there you have it, a delicious dish made with love, a dash of creativity, and zero oven drama. Whether you're serving this up for friends, family, or just indulging in a little solo kitchen magic, I hope you had as much fun making it as I did showing you how. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes, and share your own twists in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired, stay hungry, and keep cooking.
Calling all dessert lovers. If you've got a sweet tooth and zero patience for baking, this one's about to be your new obsession. Today, we're whipping up rich, creamy no-bake peanut butter bars, basically homemade Reese's with a little extra flair. Just a handful of pantry staples, no oven, and 10 minutes of magic. Sound too good to be true? Stick around, I'll show you step by step how to make snack time legendary. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and easy to make recipe: no-bake peanut butter bars. These bars are perfect for a quick and healthy snack, and they're absolutely scrumptious. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. We'll need ingredients base layer: 2 cups graham cracker crumbs, 1½ cups powdered sugar, 1 cup melted butter -1, and 3/4 cups creamy peanut butter chocolate topping. 1½ cups milk or semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 for TBSP peanut butter. Instructions: 1. Make the base. In a large bowl, mix graham cracker crumbs, powdered sugar, melted butter, and peanut butter until smooth. Press the mixture evenly into a parchment-lined 9x 13-inch pan. To prepare the topping, in a microwave-safe bowl, melt chocolate chips and peanut butter in 20-second bursts, stirring until smooth. Pour over the base and spread evenly with a spatula. 3. Chill and slice. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour until firm. Cut into squares and serve. Tips and variations: use crunchy peanut butter for added texture. Swap graham crackers with digestive biscuits or crushed pretzels for a twist. Add toppings like chopped nuts, sea salt, or mini M&Ms before chilling. Make it vegan by using plant-based butter and dairy-free chocolate chips. And there you go, easy, indulgent, and dangerously delicious peanut butter bars made without a single flicker of an oven flame. Whether you're whipping these up for a party platter or just sneaking a sweet treat for yourself, they never disappoint. Thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite no-bake dessert ideas in the comments. I'm always hungry for inspiration. Until next time, stay sweet and keep snacking smart.
Hey there, fellow foodies! Today, we're going to dive into a delightful and refreshing dessert recipe, Strawberry Pistachio Semifreddo. This semi-frozen dessert is a perfect treat for any occasion, and it's surprisingly easy to make. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need Minnesota ½ cup unsalted roasted shell pistachios, 2 cups fresh strawberries, whole and sliced, Minnesota ½ cup plus 3 tablespoons granulated sugar divided, 3 large egg yolks, room temperature, -1½ cups cold whipping cream, Minnesota ½ teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Prep the pan. Line a standard 5 9-inch loaf pan with plastic wrap, leaving a 2-inch overhang on all sides. Place the pan in the freezer to chill while you prepare the layers. 2. Make the strawberry pure. Pulse strawberries with 3 TBSP sugar in a food processor until smooth. Strain through a fine sieve into a bowl, pressing to extract as much liquid as possible. Discard solids and set the puree aside. 3. Prepare the custard base. In a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, whisk egg yolks and 1/2 cup sugar until pale yellow and tripled in volume about 3 minutes. Transfer the bowl to an ice bath and stir until thick and cool about 3 minutes. 4. Whip the cream. In a separate bowl, beat whipping cream and vanilla extract until soft peaks form. Whisk 1/3 of the whipped cream into the cool custard to lighten it. Gently fold in the remaining whipped cream until fully incorporated. 5. Layer the semifreddo. Fold half of the cream mixture into the strawberry puree. Pour this strawberry layer into the chilled loaf pan and smooth the top. Coarsely chop the pistachios and fold them into the remaining cream mixture. Pour the pistachio layer over the strawberry layer and smooth the top. 6. Freeze. Fold the plastic wrap over the surface and freeze for at least 12 hours or up to 3 days. 7. Serve. Unwrap the top. Invert the pan onto a cutting board and peel off the plastic. Slice crosswise into 3/4 inch thick slices. Garnish with extra chopped pistachios or fresh strawberries if desired. Here's a few tips for success. Use room temperature egg yolks for a smoother custard. Don't skip the ice bath, it helps set the custard properly. For extra flair, drizzle with strawberry sauce or a touch of honeybee for serving. And there you have it, your very own home-made strawberry pistachio semifreddo, ready to steal the spotlight at your next dinner party or midnight snack attack. If you enjoyed chilling with me today, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what dessert we should freeze next. Stay cool, stay creative, and as always keep whisking up joy. Today, we're going to dive into a delightful summer treat, the lime icebox pie. Ready to beat the heat with a treat that's cool, creamy, and impossibly easy. Today, we're making a lime icebox pie refreshing, tangy classic that sets right in your fridge. No oven required. It's sweet, tart, and silky smooth with a crunchy graham cracker crust. Perfect for picnics, parties, or when your AC isn't quite cutting it. Let's dive in and whip this zesty delight together. This refreshing dessert is perfect for those hot summer days when you need a cool and tangy treat. 7, so let's get started. To do this, we'll need ingredients: -1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup dark brown sugar, pinch of salt, 6 TBSP unsalted butter, melted, 8 ounces cream cheese, salt, sweet and condensed milk, 1/2 cup fresh lime juice or lemon juice, 1 TBSP lime zest optional. Whipped cream for topping. Instructions: 1. Make the crust. Mix graham cracker crumbs, sugar, salt, and melted butter. Press into a 9-inch pie plate. Chill in the fridge for 1 hour to set. 2. Prepare the filling. Beat cream cheese until smooth. Add condensed milk, lime juice, and zest. Mix until creamy and well combined. 3. Assemble the pie. Pour filling into the chilled crust. Smooth the top and refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight. 4. Serve. Top with whipped cream and extra lime zest if desired. Slice and enjoy. Tip: use fresh lime juice for the best flavor. Want it extra tangy? Add more zest. For a shortcut, use a store-bought graham crust. And there you have it, your very own lime icebox pie, chilled to perfection and bursting with citrusy goodness. Whether you're serving it at a backyard BBQ or sneaking a forkful straight from the fridge, this pie brings sunshine in every bite. If you love this recipe, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more.
Hey Snack Squad! Ready to turn a humble pack of Oreos into gourmet dessert bites that'll blow your taste buds away? Today, we're rolling up some ridiculously easy, no-bake Oreo Cookie Truffle Balls. Just 3 ingredients, 0 oven drama, and maximum chocolate bliss. If you've ever wanted to impress with minimal effort, this recipe is your golden ticket. Let's dive into delicious. Instructions 1. Crush the Oreos. Use a food processor to pulse the cookies, cream, and all into fine crumbs. Reserve 1 tablespoon of crumbs for garnish. To mix the filling in a bowl, beat the Oreo crumbs with softened cream cheese until smooth and dough dash like .3. Form the balls, scoop about 1 tablespoon of mixture, and roll into balls. Place on a parchment-lined tray and refrigerate for 1 hour or freeze for 30 minutes. For dip in chocolate, melt chocolate in 30-second bursts in the microwave, stirring until smooth. Let cool slightly, then dip each ball using a fork. Tap off excess and place back on tray. 5. Decorate and chill. Sprinkle reserved crumbs or add festive sprinkles while chocolate is still wet. Refrigerate until set about 15 minutes. Here's some tips and variations. Use white chocolatier candy melts for a different look. Try mint Oreos or golden Oreos for flavor twists. Add crushed candy canes or colored sprinkles for holidays. Store in an airtight container, in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, or freeze for 3 months. And that's a wrap on these decadent little Oreo truffle bombs. Rich, creamy, and coated in chocolate, they're perfect for parties, gifts, or sneaky midnight snacks. If you love this no-bake magic, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more effortless desserts, and drop your creative twists in the comments. Until next time, stay sweet, stay creative, and remember, everything's better dipped in chocolate.